Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a protected branch in GitHub. This feature is essential for maintaining code quality and preventing accidental changes to important branches in your repository. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now navigate to the left panel of your dashboard and click on the repository where you want to set up the protected branch. This will open up that specific repository and take you to its main page where you can manage all its settings and configurations. Next, click on the Settings tab in the top navigation bar. This tab is your control center for all repository configurations, from access permissions to branch protection rules. It's where you'll spend most of your time when setting up security measures for your project. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left panel and click on Branches. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how your branches behave and what rules apply to them. It's a critical part of maintaining a stable code base, especially when working with a team. You'll now see an option to add a new branch protection rule. Click on Add Classic Branch Protection Rule to get started. This will open up a configuration page where you can define exactly how you want your branch to be protected. Under the branch name pattern field, type in the name of the branch you want to protect. This tells GitHub which branch these protection rules should apply to, ensuring that the right safeguards are in place for your most important code. Now comes the important part. You'll see a list of protection options available to you. Select the protections you need by checking the box beside every rule that applies to your workflow. These options might include requiring pull request reviews before merging, requiring status checks to pass, or preventing force pushes. Each checkbox represents a different layer of security for your branch, so choose carefully based on your team's needs and development process. After you've selected all the protection rules that make sense for your project, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find a Create button there. Click on Create to finalize and activate your branch protection rule. And that's it. Your branch is now protected with the rules you've defined, helping ensure that your code remains stable and that changes go through the proper review process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.